Good morning, students. Today we shall discuss the derive the expression for current gain, voltage gain, input impedance, output impedance for an emitter follower circuit or CC amplifier circuit. In last class we have discussed about CB amplifier circuit. Okay, this is the circuit for CC amplifier. Okay, for base RS is connected and for emitter RL is connected. Okay, for collector no resistance connected. Common collector amplifier. Common collector means collector is it is connected for input and also for output. So it is called common collector amplifier. Here common collector amplifier in its H parameter model. This is the circuit of H parameter model. Okay, here Vs source voltage, Rs, HIC into IB. This is IB current flowing. Okay, HIC, HRC into VE. Here HFC, IB. Here HOC, VE voltage across emitter, and IL, RL, and IE. Okay. First, we need to find out current gain. Current gain, output current divided by input current. Output current means here output current is IL. Okay, input current is IB. But here you can observe IE is also flowing. Okay, IE is in this direction and IL is in this direction. Okay, the value will be same and the magnitude will be different. Okay, this is opposite in direction, so that can be written as IL divided by IB. That can be written as minus IE divided by IB. IE value, IE is equal to, this is the circuit diagram. Okay, from this only I have taken this much. Okay, IE, to find out IE we have considered this circuit. From this circuit we can write IE is equal to HFC into IB plus HOC into VE. V can be written as what? Okay, you can observe here V is opposite to the RL. Okay, V can be written as IL into RL. That can be written as minus IE into RL. That is what I have replaced here. If you take out common, so you'll get IE open bracket 1 plus HOC into RL close bracket is equal to HFC into IB. Okay, what we want IE divided by IB. So you'll get HFC divided by 1 plus HOC into RL. But here current gain is equal to minus. Okay, so minus HFC divided by 1 plus HOC into RL. That is what current gain. Next, input resistance. Input resistance is equal to VB divided by IB. That is, usually for resistance we write voltage divided by current. In this case, this is we are considering input. So input side is base. So base voltage divided by base current. VB can be written as what? From input side equation we have considered the circuit input side VB, HIC, IB, HRC, VE. VB is equal to HIC into IB plus HRC into VE. V is equal to what? VE is equal to minus IE into RL. That can be written as, okay, because AE is equal to, AI is equal to what? AI is equal to minus IE divided by IB. Okay, if you take out only minus IE, then what you'll get? AI into IB. That is what here we have written. Okay, AI into IB into RL. RI is equal to, we know the value of VB. So substitute HIC IB plus HRC AI into IB into RL divided by IB. If you cancel out this, then you will get HIC plus HRC plus into AI into RL. We know the value of AI, so substitute the value of AI. Okay. After substituting, you will get input resistance is equal to HIC minus HFC into HRC into RL divided by 1 plus HOC into RL. Okay. This is what input resistance. Next, voltage gain. Voltage gain is output voltage divided by input voltage. Output voltage is V divided by VB. V can be written as what? Minus IE into RL. VB can be written as RI into IB. Okay. IB into AI into RL. Okay. Again, minus IE they have replaced into IB into AI into RL, because here IB get cancelled. So you left with what? AI into RL divided by RI. This is what voltage gain. Output admittance I2 divided by V2. Okay. Here, while finding output admittance, I have said in last class only, Vs source we need to make Vs is equal to 0. So here IE is equal to, we already know that IE is equal to HFC into IB plus HOC into VE. Dividing above equation, we get that Y0 is equal to IE divided by VE is equal to HFC into IB divided by VE plus HOC. From figure B, with Vs is equal to 0, okay, if you take Vs is equal to 0, then what you will get? The equation Rs into IB, HIC into IB and HRC into V is equal to 0. From this you take out IB as common, so you will get IB divided by V is equal to minus HRC divided by Rs plus HIC. So when you know the value of IB divided by V, substitute in the equation, Y0 equation. Okay. In this, we don't know the value of this, so we are finding. Okay. Now we know the value of IB divided by V. So substitute Y0 is equal to HOC minus HFC, HRC divided by RS plus HIC. And what about R0? R0 is equal to 1 divided by Y0. Okay. Thank you.